Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to look at MEXC and Solana giveaway. If you have a MEXC account, this video is for you, and if you don't have a MEXC account, I'm going to drop my referral link in the video description. Use it and earn a bonus for registering with my link. So here you must make sure that your account is verified, because it's one of the requirement for you to win this 500 USDT, for you to be among the lucky winners. So you must make sure that your account is verified. So you click on your profile picture. So you must make sure that your account is verified. You can see it, and you are also going to copy your UID. This is also where you will see your UID. You're going to use it later in this video. You just click on this copy icon and you're going to copy it. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, do well to subscribe, like, and share. Also join our WhatsApp, our Telegram channel, our Twitter account for more value update. Our Twitter account is mainly for referral link. If you want to get any referral, go to my Twitter account and drop your referral link under the video description. We are going to, anyone that has interest in that project, we use your referral link. We are not being stingy about the referral link right now. So a lot of people are in need of referral. So if you're in need of referral, go to the video in my S account, drop your referral link, and people will join. So here is the MEXC Solana giveaway. They made this update 7 hours ago. You can see it here. They said, if so you are a celebrity, who could it be? Drop your take and win. How to win? You need to follow MEXC official, then you comment your celeb pick for Solana, then you add your MEXC UID. That was why I said plus MEXC, that you must link MEXC account. So that was why I said you should know your MEXC UID. So they said the 20 lucky winners share 500 USDT. This giveaway will end in August 18th. Today is August 14th. More 4 days to go. So this is basically what you need to do if you want to win this USDT. It's very simple. You comment, you follow MEXC. Let me follow them. I'm not following them now. Following. So we are going to comment your celeb pick. I want to say comment about if so we are a celebrity. Once you comment on that, and if you are lucky enough, you are going to win this USDT. So coming here, this first person said, if Solana were a celebrity, could become MC Grog, loud, confident, sometimes all these things. So we are going, let me look for a comment and know how I'm going to write my own write up. I'm going to copy this person's write up here. Let me tap on this one. I will not copy the person's UID. Let me just, this person say, if Solana were a celebrity, could be probably Tom Cruise. Here is why. Let me copy this and go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to rephrase this sentence for us. So coming to ChatGPT, I will ask ChatGPT, please rephrase this sentence. Then send it. Sure, please share the sentence you would like me to rephrase. Then you paste it. Wait for ChatGPT to give you answer. If Solana were a celebrity, it would likely be Tom Cruise, and here is why. Okay, speed and performance. Solana is renowned for its lightning fast transaction and low fee, such like how Tom Cruise is famous for performing his over high speed slung. So I'm going to tap on it. Then click on select text. So I'm going to select the normal one. So I'm going to copy it. Then we'll move back to our S. So I'm going to comment my celebrity pick under this post. Click on the comment. Got it. So I'm going to post. Let me paste the stuff I copied, paste. And under it, I'll write my MEXC UID. Should be in capital. MEXC UID. You're supposed to know your UID. If you don't know it, go to your MEXC account and copy your UID 18231142. Then plus hash. You must link MEXC. Some people call it MEXC. Whichever one you use. So this is it. If Solana were a celebrity, it would likely be Tom Cruise, and here is why: speed and performance, all this blah blah blah, MEXC UID, then you click on reply. Reply sent. Can you see I have made the reply? So go and do this if you want to get this 500 USDT. The first lucky 20 people that will do this are going to win this. Try your luck. It's ending on August 18th. So go right now and try your luck. If you got value from this video, do well to subscribe, like, and share. Also join our WhatsApp or Telegram channel for high value update. Thank you guys.